तल्लय शक्तिशेषेण निःशेषेणाथवात्मनि शक्तिशेषेण युक्तोऽसौ अज्ञानिष्वेततीक्षणात् नामरूपविभेदोक्तेः निःशेषेणैव तल्लयः अग्ने जन्मान्तरार्थं तु शक्तिशेषत्वमीष्यते
आत्मनि तल्लयः शक्तिशेषेण अथवा निःशेषेण आत्मनि तल्लयः शक्तिशेषेण अथवा निःशेषेण असौ शक्तिशेषेण युक्तः असौ अज्ञानिषु इज दैट असावज्ञानिषु असौ शक्ति योग विशेषेण युक्तः अज्ञानिषु एतत् ईक्षणात् अज्ञानिषु एतत् ईक्षणात् आत्मनि तल्लयः तल्लयः मीन्स कलानां लयः merging of आत्मनि whatever that was sold is it shakti sheshena with their residual power to germinate again in terms of kalas or nisheshena means kalas have merged like the functions of indriyas have merged but they are intact swarupa intact like that kalas are swarupa intact but their power has got merged. Is it that way? Shakti sheshena or nisheshena? By swarupa itself they have got merged. This is the doubt. Purvapaksha says asau means layaha. This layaha asau layaha says shakti sheshena with power still remaining. Why? It is in the case of ajnani. Ajnanishu etadikshana. Etad means laya of kalas with shakti shesha, remainder of the power is what in the case of ajnani. So what is the great deal? See, he also has got a physical body, this person also has got it. He also dies, this person also dies. So it should be similar only. It is the ikshana. Answer Siddhanta. Nama Rupa Vibedokte. See, mere merging of kala is not told. Ram Nama Rupe Vihaya. Having given up the Nama Rupa means what? Individual specifications are given up. All individual locus is given up. Nama Rupa Vibheda is Laya. Uktehe, because Shruti says that this Laya of Kala is abandoning the Nama and Rupa of the Kalas. Says Tallayaha Nisheshena Eva Tallayaha. So that Laya is what? Nisheshena Eva, without any Shakti remaining there. Two, whereas then he has told now in the Ajna case necessary. You know why? To take Janmantara. Here it is not necessary, no Janmantara is there. Two, whereas in contrast with the Jnani, in the case of Ajne, in the case of Ajnani, says Janmantarartham. थोड़ा पूंजी रखना पड़ेगा, उधर कैपिटल रखना पड़ेगा for taking the other next embodiment. Shakti Sheshatvam Ishyate, Angikhriyate, accepted. Ishyate is accepted. What is accepted? Shakti Shesham. Shakti Shesham Ishyate Angikryate. Avibhagah Vachana. Nyaya Nirnaya, line 5 from bottom. पृथिव्यादि द्वारा ब्रह्मणि उक्तस्य विद्वत् कला विलयस्य निरवशेषत्वम् आह. Finally, kalas merge where? In Brahma, Paramat. But for Vyavahara, first where in the Prithivya thing and find that. Of that, is it Savashesha or Niravashesha? Is it Prithivya Dwara Brahmani Uktasya Vidvat Kala Vilayasya? The Vidvat Kala Vilaya which was described to where in the Brahma, Niravasheshatvam. Nothing is left out. No residue is left out. That is told. Vibhagaha Vachana. Avibhaga means Purnalayaha, without Vibhaga, without any separate identity as such, separate locus as such, means Vidvat Kalana Brahmana Saha Atyantam Avibhaga. Kalas of a Jnani, they become totally identical with what? Brahma, without any separate existence. How come? Kutaha? Vachana. After that we'll see in the Prashnopadishad, they say that Nama Rupe Vidyate, etc., that the Nama Rupa, etc., get destroyed. After telling the laya of Kala, Shruti says their Nama Rupa is destroyed, means total merging, that is true. Caption: Pralaya of Kalas of Jnani is total. Next page, Sutra 16 end. Pralaya of Kalas of Jnani is total. Next page, Sutra 16 end.